across to Mr. Navin Juneja, who's joining us on the show to talk to us about the way forward. Hi, Mr. Juneja. Good to be speaking with you. What would you, attribute this performance to in terms of growth and the overall demand environment that you're witnessing right now? What kind of confidence does it give you on growth in terms of, could it be 20 to 30% going forward? Could it be even higher? Mr. Juneja, you could hear me? Okay, we'll try and reconnect that line, but there's enough to talk about as far as the market mood is concerned, because ICICI Bank, that too has managed to inch almost 2% higher, 3% rally on Larsen and Toubro, so that's contributing almost 30 points. And also Axis Bank, for that matter, that's sitting with a gain of a solid 4%. But I think we have Mr. Juneja back with us. Hi, sir. Just wanted to get a sense from you, the demand environment on the ground, how is it? And what kind of growth rates you expect from here on?
Thank you for having me on the show. We are very grateful that during the current financial year, we achieved overall growth of 20%. My EBITDA margin increased by 2%. Now it's 16.1% on a full year basis. And my PAT has also grown very 49% from 57 crores, 56 crores last year to about 83 crores this year. On a full year basis, I'm talking about, it's better to see full year numbers. And if you see the segment wise, we are getting to 34%. Our total revenue come from passenger vehicles, and my 24 comes from SCV, LCV, 19% from two-wheelers. If we talk about the pie, my 63% is OE, 25% comes from my export segment. And we are sitting on an order book of around 2,000 crores, which we acquired during the last 1 year, and out of which 475 crores is for the EV segment and 400 crores is approximately for the export. It has already started moving into the commercial sense. So majority of it will come in 25-26, because the EV platforms where we have been nominated, they will launch the vehicles in 25-26. We are quite hopeful that we will be able to achieve the growth which we have done in the last year.
Mr. Juneja, let's break it down. You guided for much higher export sales till 27. By 27, from 23 to 27, your exports will grow from 25% to 35 now. What gives you that confidence?
This year my growth is 25%. Total pie is 25%. Next year it should be more over 27, 28%. Because the EV vehicles, the orders, they are basically for the export only. They are EV orders. Their launches are from 25, 26 onwards. So we are still working, and we were hopeful to achieve closer to that number we will achieve.
What about margin expansion? You already expanded your margins a bit, 90 basis points or thereabout, but guided for 15 to 16% by 27. What measures would you take which will increase your margins?
The biggest margin is because of our proprietary products like heat shield and gaskets. There we have proprietary products, we command good margins plus export. The more the export, the more margins are there. So we are focusing on more exports, and we are hopeful to retain minimum 16% margin going forward. It can be better, of course, because the last quarter we achieved 17%, but let's keep it conservative base. 60% plus should be going forward, should my EBITDA margin.
Okay, great. And you also aim to increase your ROS to 20%. What all initiatives are you taking to improve your return on capital employed?
Yeah, ROC this year we have done 20% plus, and ROE also 20% plus. My debt is 0.16. Here I want to add that if you see my balance sheet, my borrowing is only, but term loan is only 3 to 4 crores, and my working capital is around 80 to 80 crores, which is same as last year. We achieved this 20% growth without touching my banking limits, and we have 65 crores lying in the financial assets. This is classified as non-current financial assets because it's lying in FDs, which is maturing for a period of more than 1 year. We have enough cash in hand for our future expansion, major expansion, or some acquisition, or some JVs. We are working on that. So that money we have kept aside. So I think we will not require any more term loans, etc., for our future growth.
One last question. By 27, where do you see your top line and profits head to?
So it's very speculative to answer that. But of
Really,
course,
what number are you targeting? Internally, you must have set some targets for yourself.
we know that our target for the FY27-28, we are targeting the top line of around 2,000 crores plus. So at consolidated basis, and we have closed this year at about 1,458 crores. So you can calculate that.
All right, Mr. Juneja, thanks very much. I will let you go on that one. Good set of numbers and very measured, confident commentary for the targets which the management has set for themselves on various financial parameters. We'll take a short break on that note.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.